Imagine each prayer as a simple journey, step by step. Ready to walk it with me? Hello, dear learner. Welcome back. Let's explore the heart of a rak'ah together. A rak'ah is a complete cycle of prayer. First, stand with the Quran in your hands. Say the opening chapter, Al-Fatiha, then any short surah. That's qiyam. Next, bow low. In the bow, say Subhana Rabbiyal Azam 3 times. That's ruku. Rise gently and stand again. That's i'tidal. Now lower yourself into prostration. In sujud, say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times. Finish with a brief sitting between the two prostrations. That's jalsa. Repeat these steps once more to complete the rak'ah. Each posture is a pause, a moment of focus, an act of devotion. Let's see how these steps appear in the Quran. After reading Surah Al-Baqarah 2:2-3, stand and recite the verses. Then bow with Subhana Rabbiyal Azam. When you rise, say, Sami Allahu liman hamida. In sujud, reflect on Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. Between the sujud, sit quietly and repeat the prayer. Next, choose a shorter surah, like Al-Ikhlas, 112. Practice the same sequence. Finally, use Surah Al-Nas, 114, for the second part of the rak'ah, repeating the postures. Each example guides you through the real flow of a rak'ah. Now repeat after me. Stand. Say Al-Fatiha, then Al-Ikhlas. Bow. Subhana Rabbiyal Azam. Rise. Stand. Prostrate. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. Sit. Repeat. You can do this practice again or enjoy a quiet moment of reflection. Feel the rhythm of each posture. We saw the 5 pillars, qiyam, ruku, itidal, sujud, and jalsa. Each is a pause of worship. Next lesson, we'll bring these together for your first full prayer, Salat al Fajr. Until then, keep practicing and may your steps be smooth.